మీరు కిరణ్ మీరు వెళ్ళండి. ఏంటి ఆగదా? ఓకే. ఇది ఎలా ఆగిపోదా? ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ 10 minutes తీసేయండి. Okay. Hello, Monica. How are you?
Sorry?
Hello, Monica. How are you?
Sorry, your voice is breaking actually.
Okay. Can't hear me. Hello? Hello?
Yeah. Now it is. Now it is
Okay,
clear.
okay.
Now it is clear.
Let's start now. Hello,
Yeah.
Monica. How
Okay.
are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Sai. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm doing good. Okay, let's. Today we are going to take a small interview. Like this is a mock interview from our course, and
Okay.
okay, this is like 3 steps. First is like small introduction about you, and second one is I will
Sure.
give small program for you, and third one is I will ask 4 or 5 questions, and then you can give some review. And this is the an overall process for the interview. This is the basic and small interview from our course. Okay, and
Okay.
let's start our interview. Give me
Okay.
small intro about yourself, like where you have studied and what you are doing present from IT or non-IT. Okay, like these things.
Okay. Yeah. So I am Bhagya Monica. Right now I am working as a senior engineer in CSS Corp Private Limited, Bangalore.
Okay.
So I do have a 5 years of experience in IT.
Hmm.
I worked as a automation engineer, and right now I'm working as a database developer. So from the past 6 months, I'm working as a database developer, and 4.6 years I have worked as an automation engineer, where I have used PowerShell, shell scripting, and MySQL, some orchestrator tools called MS Scotch and CIT-PAM tools. Yeah, currently I'm working for a project called Shikar, which is a retailer app. So that is a Hindustan Unilever product. So yeah, I am working as a database engineer, database developer over there. So my roles and responsibilities will be like creating and updating the tables and views, and exporting and importing the data between two databases, like MySQL and Cassandra databases we are using. We'll be using a shell scripting to import and export the data. And I'm so in the same project we are using AWS as well for the storage purpose, like S3 we are using. Yeah, this is a small intro about me.
Oh, great, Monica. Great. This is like a great technologies you are working on, like AWS, S3, like database S3 buckets and SQL and Cassandra database. All these are related to the data science also. Like when you are going to deploy
Right.
models and
Thanks.
fetching the data from some S3 buckets and deploying the models on GitHub and maintaining the database in SQL or SQL Alchemy. All these are related to
Mm.
SQL only. And yeah,
Mm.
great intro. And I loved your intro, like which technologies you are working on. They are great technologies. I love the technologies also. And let's move into our
Mm.
Python, like Python background. Where you are from?
Okay.
When you are working on Python?
Python actually, my team has used it in the project, but I don't have any knowledge in Python. So after joining in this course, only I started, like that I got some knowledge, and I feel this is very easy. But earlier, when I was trying to learn Python, I feel somewhat difficulty, and when it comes to strings topic, it is very difficult for me to remember, and I feel like, oh, Python is not for me, like, but after joining this course, like I felt it is very easy.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, do you have IDE to write a small program? This is a small, I said before, this is a small mock interview. There will
Hmm.
be a small program. Do you have any
Yeah,
like, yeah,
yeah,
let's open that IDE.
visual code I do have.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can open any IDE, you can open anything.
Okay, let me share my screen first.
Actually, Visual Studio Code is the great one for everyone will write like C, C++, Java, Shash, anything, any technology, any programming language you can write on that.
Yeah. So let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it got struck.
Okay.
I am only on one face.
Okay. Do I need to reshare it? Reshare my screen?
Uh, okay. Stop it and again reshare it. It will be good for you.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Or just minimize it. You can use minimize. After minimizing, you can open the ideally. Just open IDE like VS Code. Yeah. It's good. It's good now. It's good. It's working.
It's good. No, no.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Minimize it and open VS Code. That's it.
Yes. Yes.
If you feel uncomfortable or your system is somewhat slow, I will give like yeah. If you open Google Chrome also, it will take same amount of RAM, I think. So go with VS Code only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So sorry.
No problem. I'm already sharing my screen. Is it visible or like
No.
is it stuck at anywhere?
No. It is not. It is not visible. I can't see that VS
It's
Code.
not
I can. I'm seeing only
VS Code.
my screen on your laptop.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 1 second. Let me reshare it. Then.
You have shared only the Skype thing. I think it is not like overall desktop. Share like overall
Uh,
desktop. From share option
okay.
from left side
Uh,
desktop.
okay. Okay. Now.
Yeah. Now I can see. Okay, great. Okay, Monica. Like I will ask you one question. Just write it
Mm-hmm.
there. Uh,
Okay.
find a palindrome of a string. Find a palindrome of a string. Write it there by using comment. Comment. Oh, great. Write a palindrome of a string to check it. Like it will check. You are going to write a function that it will check the given string is palindrome or not. Okay. This is the main
Okay.
aim for you. Are you getting what I'm
Okay.
saying? What is
Yes.
palindrome?
Yes.
Palindrome means, you know, Vikatakavi. Vikatakavi, we have seen
Yes.
the
Yes.
Vikatakavi. If you rotate
Yeah,
any
it
side,
is
it will be same.
something like this. Yeah.
Noon. Yeah,
Starting.
exactly. That is the palindrome. Just check it by creating a function, like any function. Before creating it, write down the steps how you are going to create, how you are going to do this. Like brief steps, like you can call them as a algorithm. Like a algorithm, like step of your program. Okay, try to give me like one or two steps how you
Okay.
are going to write everything that program. First, I'm going to take the string input one and string one and string two like that. Okay.
Mhm.
I think you got it. What I'm asking.
Okay. Yes. I got it. Okay. First, I will take a function
Yeah,
with
great.
uh, is palindrome. And second step will be I will take an input uh, string. Uh, a string and third one will be like reverse
Yeah, exactly. Got the logic. So you can write it now. Done.
reverse string. Okay.
Reverse string.
Okay.
Next, what will you do?
Uh,
There will be two
yeah,
strings.
reverse string. Yeah.
Mm,
So and after reverse string, I will check with the function whether yes,
just
yeah. So I will compare the strings.
yeah, exactly.
Two
Eh,
strings. So
mm,
if two strings are matching,
mm,
if, string 1 and string 2 are matching, then it is palindrome. Else, it is not palindrome.
yes, exactly. Now start writing the code. Yeah, you have done great.
Okay. Okay. Argument I will take to pass, and so after that. mm, So, okay. Um, so we need to return if s is equals to s of minus 1. This is reverse function, and no, it is not. I need to give here st. And it will reverse. So now let's say to that uh, R1 str1 some error it is. Okay, indentation error. And so now yes, this palindrome string is not uh, is palindrome. We are calling the string and we are returning it. And here we are calling that function. And this is str1. This resultant, yes. Uh, Yeah,
Yeah,
so it is palindrome. Given string is
yeah.
palindrome. Since Malayalam is palindrome, I can check with noon. So noon also it is a palindrome.
Palindrome.
Let
Yeah.
me take a non-palindrome. Bhagya. So this is not a palindrome.
Oh, okay, great. And yeah, let's move further. Like you have done great. Actually, you have completed
Thank
very
you.
fast.
Yeah,
Yes, and
thanks.
let's go with the just a small questions in Python only.
Okay.
Just I will
Okay.
give basic questions like basic. I will ask basic terms and things. Uh, create a
Okay.
list. Create a comprehension list. Okay. Create a
Okay.
comprehension list,
Mm.
and in that list, it need to the list should contain 1 to 100 numbers. It should be a comprehension list. Not then you should not use any append or any another functions. Like it should be comprehension list. The list should
Okay.
contain only 100 values.
List and list should come.
should
No.
contain 100 values. Not 100 values, 0 to 100 number, okay? 0 to 100 number. You need to be very
Okay, okay,
concentrated when you are giving some range at that time. I think you have
okay.
attended my class also.
Yes. I one, mm, 0 to 99. Mm,
Yes, Bhagya, check once. I asked you need to print 100 also. 100. Means your range
okay.
should be somewhat more. Yeah, 100 also. I need to have 100 in
Okay.
that.
Okay. Okay. I thought 100 numbers. Okay. 0 to 100 it will
Yeah,
print.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I think this is the syntax for the comprehension
Yeah,
list.
yeah, yeah. Exactly. Yeah, what you have written is
Mm,
great. Just run it
do
and
I
check.
need to put int or something? I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
But you
0
are
to
missing like
90
100.
is
The
coming.
value.
Yeah. 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 Okay. Not done.
Yeah, exactly. So you know that zero. This is like n minus one. The range will be up to n minus one. So you need to use that one.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, this is also gone great. And you have written the comprehension list. Uh,
Yeah.
can you create two dictionaries and
Okay.
you like yeah, like append one dictionary into another one using pipe. I think you have remembered that pipe thing.
Okay.
Or you can do
We'll
what you
try.
know, you can do that. Okay. Create two dictionaries, dict1 and dict2, and anything. You can have anything in that. Dictionaries.
Dictionaries. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. There will be key and value. Okay.
Mm,
This one dict2. Yeah, exactly. You can use anything either as you wish.
mm, mm,
Yeah.
not dict.
Wow.
Yeah.
Uh, where? I think you got it. Where
I
is it?
think it is.
Where? I can't see also. This one is so. Okay, you need to save it like a variable. Okay, try it. Okay, give it a try again.
Okay.
This is like very
Oh,
advanced topic in dictionaries. Actually, I have said on that.
right. The
Yeah,
last
three
class
point.
we have.
Yeah, this is like in 3.9.7. What you are doing is great.
Just printing only one.
Oh, Monica, you have done
Yeah.
great thing. You have missed. One, see your dictionaries and go with keys. Go with the keys in dictionaries.
Okay.
You know, you know one thing. Like no, not like that. Monica, see once.
Yeah.
You know, the keys should be unique.
Okay.
Dictionaries will not support duplicate keys. Okay.
Ah, right.
This is not a
Okay.
JSON file. This is not a JSON.
Okay.
I think you have worked more on the database and you are getting the JSON or some SQL things.
Right.
Yeah, exactly. You are
Okay.
thinking like a column, key as a column and
Okay. Okay.
value as a rows. Yeah,
Mm,
now
okay.
print it. Now print it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Now it is appended.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, great thing, great thing. Wow, you have done great,
Thank you.
and this is
Thank you.
really, really awesome because you are, this is your first time and you are giving this much fast answers.
Yeah.
Actually, is in
Yeah.
3.9.7. So many guys who are learning in who are working in Python from last 2 years or 1 year, they don't know what this one. Okay, and this is great.
Okay. Mm,
And
thank you.
I have said the another one also like there is. Do you have remembered that another technique from another? No issue if you don't remember also.
Uh,
Like stars asterisk, like it is like a quarks in dictionary we will give. Okay, no issue.
Correct.
Let's leave it. Um,
Okay.
if you go with the another question because we don't want to take much more time on this single question. Let's move into the
Mm,
another question. You have worked with slicing,
yeah. Yes.
slicing.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, take a string. Okay, take some string and
Okay.
slice it. Mm, take some string first of all. Take some string. Which string you will take? Take Python life. String as a Python life. I need only life in that Python. I don't need any Python. And in another print, in first print, I need only Python. In second print, I need only life. I
Okay.
think you got it.
Okay.
What I'm asking.
Yeah. Yeah. I got it. I
Okay.
got it.
Right. In first print, I need only Python. In second print, I need life. Oh, you are.
Mm, and wanted to slicing, right? Uh,
I asked you to slice it. Okay. Just you need to slice
yeah.
string slicing. You are going to some different
Okay.
technique. Go slice it. Very easy, very easy. You will get it.
Mm,
Uh, Slice is like start with a square brackets and you will do some colon and think it.
okay. Okay.
Mm,
Uh,
yeah, yeah,
so
exactly.
then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And one question in Python, the indexing starts from
Zero.
0 or 1.
0.
Okay.
Zero.
Then in slicing, from where to where, the range from where to where in slicing, start number.
0 to 5.
Hmm. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what you need to take? Just print it. First of all, print it. You will get it. Okay. Right. You will get it. Print it directly. No issue. Print it directly. It will print.
Okay, it is given till. Okay, it has taken till n. So I need to give 6.
Why you are keeping 6?
Because it is taking up to fifth one.
Okay.
If I am
Yeah.
giving it here 5, so it is giving only tho.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. So
See, the
so it is up to, right.
because the
Yeah.
start colon n-1 or end-1. Okay. End-1. Suppose you need up to n only means then it should be 6 minus 1. That will be 5. The index number will be
Mm,
5. You have said that
okay,
it will
got it.
start from 0. Okay, it will start from 0. So it will be like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I
Okay,
think you
got it.
got it
Got
exactly what I'm asking.
right. I got it. 5, 6, 7, 2, 7, and 10K like this. in the first print
Yeah,
Python and the second print it is live.
life. Yeah, exactly. Great, Monica. Yeah,
Thank you.
actually you are writing very great. You are writing very fastly also, and
Thank
yeah,
you.
it will be enough for us. Actually, we work with almost everything, and we
Mm.
can take a last one, yeah, some functions using this lists. Okay, go with the list. List is very important technique. Uh,
Okay.
create a list, create a list,
Okay.
and print only. Create a comprehension list. In that list, you need to have 100 numbers and print. Create a function also. Later that create a function and print even number or odd number like that. Okay, the output should be even or odd. The incoming number should be even or odd like that. I think you got it.
Okay. So
Hmm.
first I need 1 second. Sorry. So, sorry for asking it again. So first I need to take a list and
Yeah,
I need to print it till 1 to 100 using
yeah,
comprehension list. The
yes,
second thing is I need to take one more, take a list and I need to print even and odd numbers.
yeah. No,
Okay.
no, not like list. Take create a function to even or
Okay.
or to create a even or odd. That's it. No need
Odd.
anything.
Okay.
Just print
Okay.
even number or odd number on the terminal. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Got it. So first I will. So this will print till 1 to 100 numbers. Okay. This this right. Hmm.
Check in that list. You have missed some keyword. The main keyword. I for I in.
In
Yeah.
uh, range.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah.
Okay,
You have
so this
great.
is 100
Uh,
and
it will take a value. Okay. N or value.
yes,
Anything. Okay. You should check that n is even or odd. That's it.
right. Mm,
Okay. Uh. Okay. Now. Yes. Good. No. No need of any.
sorry,
Why you are writing written? Okay. Write it first.
we need to pass some value, right?
Yeah. Okay. Right. Or once check it from top to bottom again.
Mm,
Yeah. Exactly. I got confused when you are giving some.
Yeah. Right, I got it. Okay, let me just take some.
Okay. Yeah.
It says 10 is even.
Yeah, okay. Monica,
I
one
will
minute.
pass.
I will give
Yeah,
extra. You are having that rest, that list, comprehension list is there, no? Pass
right.
one by one
Yes.
value into this number, in this function, into this function. Yeah. Remove that indentation and write here a for loop and pass it into your function. It will give for each and everything, it is even or odd.
Okay.
No, no, no,
Okay,
no.
got it. Yes, yes. Mm-hmm. Supported type list and into. Okay.
No, check it again. You need to use for loop for each and every number. Okay, for loop for each and every number, and into that for loop you need to call each and every time that function. I'm asking for each and every number in that res, in that comprehension list.
Mm. This comprehension list. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
great, Monica. The interview was very great.
Thank you.
I think you have got everything what you have learned, and I in the next interview I will cover everything what you are going to learn in future also. How do you
Okay.
feel? How do you feel this interview? Is it like do you feel
Yeah, it
anytime
is like
this is
very
like real
useful.
time?
Yes, yes. I mean, like it is very useful for me. Actually, I am right now. I mean, like I am searching for the other role as well. So, like this is a bit of practice kind of thing for me. Like how the Python interview will be, and like mm, I got a confidence on me. Like okay, I can attend the Python interviews from now.
Yeah. Monica, I will suggest you some more things like keep on practicing, okay? Keep on
Sure.
practicing. Actually, what I have did or what is the thing means I got it like a medium questions and medium type, and
Mm.
like I know what you are like how where you are in our from our classes or from our course you are a student for us. So I got to know she can work on these types of problems she can solve. So I gave these
Right.
things, but in next interview it will be like some more typical, like some more advanced topics. There will be some more. I used to say to create a classes, or I used to say to create a function directly, or I used to say
Mm-hmm.
to write algorithms like here, like not data structures and algorithms. It is from our day planning and machine learning algorithm. Be prepare for that. Okay, keep on preparing
Sure.
every day. Okay, this is
Sure.
like a
Sure.
basic interview. And do you
Right.
know the course what we are teaching and how I and Kiran is teaching, how the course, how well
Yes.
you are
Yes.
learning?
Yes,
And
actually, as I firstly said, like like this. I mean, I am feeling like it is very useful that I have joined this course. Like the way you people are explaining is awesome. Like you people are explaining it from scratch, very scratch. Even the people don't know anything about the Python, also anything about the coding knowledge background, also they can start learning this Python classes. And if if they attend these classes, I am damn sure like they can gain knowledge in Python. That such a simple way you are explaining, and the examples you are taking it is like related to our class environment. You are taking it as examples, and you are explaining it so that we can correlate, and it is very becoming very useful to understand as well. Like as I said like earlier, when I compare to the other classes where I have attended, I mean in YouTube session only I have seen many classes. They are teaching in a high level, but this is not like that, something very high level. Zero knowledge people also can understand it easily. I am, like I am saying, right? Like in previous, sorry for that. Previously, YouTube classes I have saw it very so many times, but at one point of time, I was stuck. I mean, like I am feeling like how many times, how many ever times I am seeing the classes, I am not able to pick it up. I mean, I am not able to follow the flow at some points of this slicing, string slicing, and list tuples. It is always confusing for me. But after joining this class, I mean, it is not to just praise you, but it is a truth that I am feeling very ease of learning. And the way you are giving the task, right, at the end of the session you are giving the task, right, so that is helping us to practice the daily sessions, right,
Yeah.
like so that we can understand how much we have understood in the from the class, how much we have understood, and we are trying it new thing. I mean, like it is not only the subject which was told in the class. We are going to Google it, so that we are understanding, okay, this place, this particular place, we can use this, we can use this keyword, we can use these functions. So that way it is more helping us to learn it quickly.
Oh, no, thank you,
Mm.
Monica. Like this is the greatest
Yeah.
review. And really, really, when I have teachers so many, like in my last courses also, like TCA, I have teachers for TCS employees, or like like Hyderabad College, CMR College. I have teach in so many colleges also. Like I got great
Hmm.
reviews and really loved it. What you are giving a review, like the review also. And in future we are
Right.
going to learn in same pitch on like in same phase. I am going to teach a deep learning and machine learning and data science, everything from the
Yeah.
scratch, and you are going to get it like
Sure.
uh,
Yeah.
definitely. I will give guarantee you are going to create a real time project that you have never
Mm.
ever created in your colleges also. I definitely guarantee you. And
Yeah.
thanks. I think you have given great interview today, and this is very great. I loved it,
Thank
what you have given, the
thank
way you have given. And thank you, Monica, for attending this mock interview. I hope you are going to give your colleagues, like in our batch, you are going to give some motivational message in our groups also, to attend
you.
this,
Sure.
to
Sure,
motivate them to
definitely.
attend this interview. Okay.
Right.
Thank you,
Right.
Monica.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Sai.
Thank you.